Hello Pancakeswap holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Hope you have a good day, my friends. That is the warning news for all Pancakeswap holders, my friends. Just complete watch this video and complete understand, my friends. If you understand, so you lose yourself, you save from loss, my friends. But you can't understand, so I think maybe lose a lot of money in a Pancakeswap, my friends, because the Pancakeswap price is very high, my friends. So take this video serious and keep watch complete. And before starting this video, please also subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now, my friends, this time the latest price of the Pancakeswap is 14.12 USD dollar. 14.12 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Pancakeswap. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price change, so completely the price of Pancakeswap is fast down. Completely, my friends, the price is going down, my friends. So what should we do in this critical situation, my friends? Let me show you the price chart. You can see, my friends, the last 3 days price change is negative 1.61%. The price of Pancakeswap fast down completely. You know what? Every cryptocurrency is negative. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba Inu, all cryptocurrencies price is going down from the last 3 days. But now today, my friends, on the 9th July, the price of the Pancakeswap start pumping, and I think the changes is going good in the Pancakeswap, my friends. So anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Pancakeswap? Just share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.